It's no surprise that cryptocurrency has gotten so much attention over time for a large number of cryptocurrencies. 2020 and 2021 has shown to be an extremely promising year for cryptocurrencies, and all of this has grabbed the attention and the interest of global investors. But however, hold your horses. The catch is this: for you to get the most out of your cryptocurrency investment, you need to be aware of some few methods and ideas that can help you to generate a lot of money. And in the light of this, I have devised like 5 lists of methods that can help you to benefit handsomely from cryptocurrency in 2022. Let's just take a look. First, which cryptocurrency should you put your money in? There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available, as we all know, but deciding which ones to invest in can be a little bit difficult. But there are certain things you need to look out for. Like cryptocurrencies with strong community and loyal followers, it shows they have genuine interest and believe in that particular cryptocurrency. And something else you need to look out for is the team. How ambitious is the team? Is the team a kind of team that have successful track record of good developers? Do you trust their expertise? You should never invest in any cryptocurrency without going through the white paper properly. Last year, there was a token that was released that was under the Binance chain, and it was named after the popular Netflix series called Squid Game. And this Squid token was rug pulled, and people lost thousands of dollars, if not millions, and a total amount of over $3 million was lost. Some people went through the white paper and saw some error through the white paper, and they were able to find out that this could be a scam, and they didn't invest in it. So sometimes going through the white paper of a particular cryptocurrency is one of the ways to evaluate the fundamentals of that cryptocurrency. And if that cryptocurrency sounds too good to be true, oh my dear, just run away and just don't look back.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
And this is going to bring us to the next point, which is staking. Crypto staking is a process used to verify cryptocurrency transactions, and it involves committing your holdings to support a blockchain network and confirm the transactions. You can only stake cryptocurrencies that allow staking, so you earn passive income with your crypto holdings. You can earn anywhere between 3% to 50% APY on the amount of crypto that you staked. Overall, this is one of the most effective tactics for generating massive gains in your crypto in 2022 and also beyond. This brings us to the next one on the list: have knowledge about crypto exchange, which is another approach where you can be able to earn from cryptocurrency, is to have a thorough understanding of crypto exchanges. And the reason for this is quite simple. You must choose from the hundreds of exchanges accessible in order to maximize your profit. Some of them offers more profit than the others, and some of them offer more profits when you stake, lend, and also farm. Like Binance offers 7% APY when you stake your BUSD and USDT, and Census offers 10.73 APY for your GUSD, BUSD, TUSD, and USDC, and also USDT. All the stable coins are just going on in my head, and this is quite funny. Anyway, that is huge compared to what the banks are going to offer you when you put your fiat currency either in your savings account or fixed deposit. And also, I'm going to make video about how you can be able to maximize profits with different exchanges and also by crypto lending and crypto staking. So make sure you subscribe and like this video so you'll be able to get post notifications when I upload videos like this. Anyway, these exchanges, they also have potential threats, and one of the threats they have, which is the biggest threat they have, is getting hacked. Most of the big exchanges like Binance and Crypto.com have been hacked. Like Crypto.com was hacked this year and they lost over $30 million. And Binance have been hacked in 2019 and they lost around $40 million. And different exchanges in the past have been hacked and they weren't able to keep running because the huge amount of money they lost have actually affected them and they run out of business. So you need to look out for the particular cryptocurrency exchange that you are going to invest your money in, that you feel that their security is strong enough to keep your investment safe. And this is going to take us to the next point on the list, which is trading. Trading is another intriguing option to profit in the crypto market, like minimizing trading costs, diversification, setting stop loss, and following the crypto trend or the crypto news regularly in order to maximize any opportunity you see. And this will help an investor to also generate higher profits with cryptocurrency. Most times I make money from spot trading. You can also lose money spot trading as well, because all you have to do is invest in that particular cryptocurrency, and when the value goes up, you sell and take out the profit, and you wait for the price to go down for you to invest again on that particular cryptocurrency that you love or that you believe in. And there is this other one that I'm going to mention, leverage trading. You might want to be careful with this one because you can lose huge amount of money leveraging, and people find it to be a faster way to make, not a faster way, like a better way to make huge amount of money with small investment. But you can lose huge amount of money also leverage trading. It's risky, and I will not encourage anyone to actually go into it. But I know a YouTuber who has already lost huge amount of money leveraging, and his name is KSI, and he's quite a popular YouTuber. He's a British popular YouTuber. He lost over $5 million in leverage trading.
Never leverage trade. You don't win. You never win. The year of me doing crypto, I managed to lose about 5 million.
And he's even laughing about it. God knows if I'm the one, I won't be laughing. And if I even have that kind of amount of money, I don't think I'll be laughing. I think I'll either work with my legs. I think I'm going to work with my head. Like, I'll definitely work with my own head and stop working with my legs, because that is how pissed off I'm going to be at myself if I lose such amount of money. And he's laughing about it. I wish I have such a courage. The last one on the list is understanding the term blockchain. Blockchain is a digital network, and it's used by hundreds of cryptocurrencies out there, including Ethereum and Cardano. Understanding what blockchain is and how it functions is crucial, and this is because many of the cryptocurrencies out there, not many, all the cryptocurrencies out there rely on the blockchain network, and each one of them has its own set of characteristics, function, consensus, mechanism, role that it plays in the world of cryptocurrency. You can make a lot of money as a cryptocurrency investor if you learn everything there is to know about blockchain and how it works. And people that understood the Ethereum blockchain in 2015 when Ethereum came out have been able to become millionaires now, because they understood the blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain, and they were able to invest in it earlier on. And cryptocurrency creates millionaires yearly, and you have to be careful where you are putting your money into, because your money can go down in the pit or you might get rock put. This is not a financial advice. Everything I've said in this video is for entertainment purpose and my own point of view. And this is where your boy Mark is going to wrap up today's video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like the video, because I always appreciate it. You have a profitable day out there, and remember, blessed. Peace, guys.